Hello everyone, this is Science Lines and you're watching the audio-visual chapter of Class 11th Biology. This is the fourth part of Chapter 7, Structural Organization of Animals. We are starting off with the cockroach. Cockroaches are brown or black-bodied animals that are included in class Insecta of phylum Arthropoda. Bright yellow, red, and green colored cockroaches have also been reported in tropical regions. Their size ranges from 1/4 inches to 3 inches, that is, zero point 0.6 to 7.6 centimeter, and have long antennae, legs, and flat extension of the upper body wall that conceals head. They are nocturnal omnivores that live in damp places throughout the world. They have become residents of human homes and thus are serious pests and vectors of several diseases. Morphology. The adults of the common species of cockroach, Periplanata americana, are about 34 to 53 long, with wings that extend beyond the tip of the abdomen in males. The body of the cockroach is segmented and divisible into three distinct regions: head, thorax, and abdomen. The entire body is covered by a hard chitinous exoskeleton, brown in color. In each segment, exoskeleton has hardened plates called sclerites, tergites dorsally, and sternites ventrally. Okay, they are joined to each other by a thin and flexible articular membrane that is called arthrodial membrane. Head is triangular in shape and lies anteriorly at right angles to the longitudinal body axis. It is formed by the fusion of 6 segments and shows great mobility in all directions due to flexible neck. The head capsule bears a pair of compound eyes. A pair of thread-like antennae arise from membranous sockets lying in the front of eyes. Antennae have sensory receptors that help in monitoring the environment. Anterior end of the head bears appendages forming biting and chewing type of mouth parts. The mouth parts consisting of a labyrinth or upper lip, a pair of mandibles, a pair of maxillae, and a labium or a lower lip. A median flexible lobe acting as tongue or hypopharynx lies within the cavity enclosed by the mouth parts. Thorax consists of three parts: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. The head is connected with thorax by a short extension of the prothorax known as the neck. Each thoracic segment bears a pair of walking legs. The first pair of wings arises from the mesothorax and the second pair from the metathorax. Forewings or mesothoracic, called tegmina, are opaque, dark, and leathery and cover the hind wings when at rest. The hind wings are transparent, membranous, and are used in flight. The abdomen in both males and females consists of 10 segments. In females, the seventh sternum is boat shaped and together with the eighth and ninth sterna forms a brood or genital pouch whose anterior part contains female gonopore, spermatical pores, and collateral glands. In males, genital pouch or chamber lies at the hind end of abdomen, bounded dorsally by ninth and tenth terga and ventrally by ninth sternum. It contains dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore, and gona apophysis. Male bears a pair of short, thread-like anal styles which are absent in females. In both sexes, the tenth segment bears a pair of jointed filamentous structure called anal cerci. Anatomy. The alimentary canal present in the body cavity is divided into three regions: foregut, midgut, and hindgut. The mouth opens into a short tubular pharynx, leading to a narrow tubular passage called esophagus. This in turn opens into a sac-like structure called crop used for storing of food. The crop is followed by gizzard or proventriculus. It has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and thick inner cuticle forming six highly chitinous plates called teeth. Gizzard helps in grinding the food particles. The entire foregut is lined by the cuticle. A ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric caeca is present at the junction of foregut and midgut, which secrete digestive juice. At the junction of midgut and hindgut is present another ring of 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filamentous malphigian tubules. They help in removal of excretory products from hemolymph. The hindgut is broader than midgut and is differentiated into ileum, colon and rectum. The rectum opens through anus. Blood vascular system of cockroach is an open type. Blood vessels are poorly developed and open into space. Hemocoel. Visceral organs located in the hemocoel are bathed in blood, hemolymph. The hemolymph is composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. Heart of cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal line of thorax and abdomen. It is differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. Blood from sinuses enter heart through ostia and is pumped anteriorly to sinuses again. The respiratory system consists of a network of trachea that open through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles present on the lateral side of the body. Thin branching tubes or tracheal tubes subdivided into tracheoles carry oxygen from the air to all the parts. The opening of the spiracles is regulated by sphincters. Exchange of gases takes place at the tracheoles by diffusion. Excretion is performed by malphigian tubules. Each tubule is lined by glandular and ciliated cells. They absorb nitrogenous waste products and convert them into uric acid, which is excreted out through the hindgut. Therefore, this insect is called uricotelic. In addition, the fat body, nephrocytes and uricose glands also help in excretion. The nervous system of cockroach consists of a series of fused, segmentally arranged ganglia joined by paired longitudinal connectives on the ventral side. 3 ganglia lie in the thorax and 6 in the abdomen. The nervous system of cockroach is spread throughout the body. The head holds a bit of nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral or belly side part of its body. So now you understand that if the head of the cockroach is cut off, it will still live for a long as 1 week. In the head region, the brain is represented by supraesophageal ganglion, which supplies nerves to antennae and compound eyes. In cockroach, the sense organs are antennae, eyes, maxillary palps, labial palps, anal cerci, etc. The compound eyes are situated at the dorsal surface of the head. Each eye consists of about 2000 hexagonal ommatidia, singular ommatidium. With the help of several ommatidia, a cockroach can receive several images of an object. This kind of vision is known as mosaic vision, with more sensitivity but less resolution, being common during night, hence called nocturnal vision. Cockroaches are dioecious and both sexes have well developed reproductive organs. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, one lying on each lateral side in the 4th or 6th abdominal segment. From each testis arises a thin vas deferens which opens into ejaculatory duct through seminal vesicle. The ejaculatory duct opens into male gonopore situated ventral to anus. A characteristic mushroom-shaped gland is present in the 6th to 7th abdominal segments, which functions as an accessory reproductive gland. The external genitalia are represented by male gonapophysis or phallomere or chitinous asymmetrical structures surrounding the male gonopore. The sperms are stored in the seminal vesicles and are glued together in the form of bundles called spermatophores, which are discharged during copulation. The female reproductive system consists of two large ovaries lying laterally in the 2nd to 6th abdominal segments. Each ovary is formed of a group of 8 ovarian tubules or ovarioles containing a chain of developing ova. Oviducts of each ovary unite into a single median oviduct, also called vagina, which opens into the genital chamber. A pair of a spermatheca is present in 6th segment, which opens into the genital chamber. Sperms are transferred through spermatophores. Their fertilized eggs are encased in capsules called ootheca. Ootheca is a dark reddish to blackish brown capsule about 3/8 of long, which is 8 mm actually. They are dropped or glued to a suitable surface, usually in a crack or a crevice of high relative humidity near a food source. On an average, female produce 9 to 10 ootheca, each containing 14 to 16 eggs. The development of Periplanata americana is porometabolous, meaning there is development through nymphal stage. The nymphs look very much like adults. The nymph grows by molting about 13 times to reach the adult form. The next to last nymphal stage has wing pads, but only adult cockroaches have wings. Many species of cockroaches are wild and are of no known economic importance yet. A few species thrive in and around human habitat. They are pests because they spoil food and contaminate it with their smelly excreta. They can transmit a variety of bacterial diseases by contaminating food material. Here we end the 4th part of the chapter 7, Structural Organization of Animals. To watch more such videos, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video. And if you want us to create more such videos on any other book or subject, do mention in the comment section please. Like and share the video to keep us motivated to create such content. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Love.